Thank goodness we're getting back to a world where there are conferences and meetups. Let's clear the chaos of client attraction. This is video 66 as I count down 100 marketing ideas you can use to grow your business rapidly. And today we're talking about conferences and meetups. Now we had to take a break from these things for a while, but they're back and we're seeing triple-digit growth year over year in the number of conferences and meetups that are happening. So now is the time for you to get back out there. Now, don't go exclusively to conferences where it's only your competition going. Sure, those have value because you're going to learn stuff about your industry and you might gain some ideas from your competition, but you're not going to get new business from these conferences. What you want to do is you want to go to conferences where your perfect prospects are. So take a look at what you do and then look at who your prospects are and find out what conferences they go to. These are the conferences that you want to spend time at. Go hang out in the lobby, hang out in the cafe, go to some of the events, meet people, introduce yourself, wear a t-shirt that says what you do. When you go to these things, you're going to be surrounded by your perfect prospects. It is a great opportunity for you to expand your reach and get more business. So get out there and get to these conferences and get to these meetups. Who knows, maybe you'll run into me at one of them. If you do, make sure you come by and say hi. The next video in this series is right here. The rest of the series is up here. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel to get alerts every time I release a new video about growing your business.